Welcome to our video on the differences between beard oil and beard butter. We'll explore their unique properties, benefits, and how they can enhance your beard grooming routine. Stay tuned to discover which product suits your needs best. Beard oil is a lightweight product designed to moisturize and condition your beard. It typically contains a blend of carrier oils and essential oils, which help to soften the beard and reduce itchiness. It's perfect for daily use. On the other hand, beard butter is a thicker, creamier product that provides deeper conditioning. It often includes ingredients like shea butter and beeswax, which offer more hold and control. Beard butter is ideal for styling and taming unruly beards. One of the main differences between beard oil and beard butter is their texture. Beard oil is liquid and absorbs quickly into the skin and hair, while beard butter has a balm-like consistency that provides longer-lasting moisture and hold. When it comes to application, beard oil is best applied right after a shower when your beard is slightly damp. This helps the oil to penetrate the hair follicles and skin more effectively, ensuring maximum hydration and softness. Beard butter, however, can be used at any time of the day. It's particularly useful for styling your beard in the morning or before heading out. The thicker consistency helps to shape and control your beard, keeping it looking neat. Both beard oil and beard butter offer unique benefits, and many bearded individuals use both products in their grooming routine. Beard oil provides daily hydration, while beard butter offers additional conditioning and styling support when needed. In conclusion, the choice between beard oil and beard butter depends on your specific needs and preferences. Whether you need daily moisture or extra hold and conditioning, incorporating these products can significantly enhance your beard care routine. Thank you again.